Determinants. That's the next. And that matrix, topic is the matrix show determinants, yes. How do you now resolve it? Determinants. Let me take 2 by 2 order. How do you find determinants of 2 by 2 before I go to 3 by 3? Which is more complex. But let's do it by 2 matrix. If I give you a 3, 2, 1, minus 1, or let's say 4. So resolve this, what are the determinants? I want the determinants of this. Determinants of this say cross multiply 3 times 4 minus 2 times 1. 2 times 1. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 2. So the determinant is 10. I'll take it again. Determinants means cross multiply and subtract. Cross this one multiply and subtract this cross multiply. So determinant 3 times 4. Cross multiply minus the other way. Minus 2 times 1. And 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 2 times 1, 2. That is 10. That's the matrix. Cross multiply, keep it. Cross multiply, then subtract this one from you. From the right, minus this left one. That's determinant for 2 by 2 order. If it is B, it's minus 1, 3, 2, 2, 0. Determinant here. Because this times is minus 1 times 0. Minus the sum of this. 2 times 3. Therefore 0 minus 6 equals that 6. So with 2 by 2 order, determinant is not difficult. 2 by 2. The only problem is 3 by 3. I'm going to do that now, but I will be slow motion, so that will follow it. Now let us take 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 determinants. If I give you A, determinant A, matrix A, 2, or maybe 1, also 0, 2, 4, 0, 1, 2. Determinants of this, how do I determine this? The method is this. First of all, start from this 2. If we take 2, everything in this row condemn, everything in this column condemn. This will cover here everything now. So you now put 2. If I take 2, you are going to resolve these 3 matrices to 2, this 3 by 3 order to 2 by 2. So if I take everything here combined, what is now left is a minus 1 and 2, and 0 and 1. I've dealt with this one. Once you take everything in this line, the row and the column condemn. So it's now minus 1 and 2, 0 and 1. Now go to the next one, you must carry a minus. Next one is minus 2. No, the state that one must carry a minus. If I find the determinants, only the state one carries the minus. Minus 2. Since I'm not taking minus 2, this line, this row, everything this, the row here, condemn. Everything here condemn. So what is left? 1 and 2. Everything this line condemn, everything this line. Since 2 is here, along the 2 here, a line here, the row and the column condemn. So what is left? 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and 5 and 1. Look at it, I cover everything here. So 1, 2, 5, 1, that's what is left. Now go to the third one. The third one is still plus 2. It's only the center that carries minus. That's what the state students mean. But this one plus this one, only the center that carries minus 2 times whatever is there. Now resolve this into 2. Once I close here, everything in this row condemn, everything in this column condemn. So what is left? 1 and minus 1. Sorry. 1 and minus 1. If I close it. 1 and minus 1, 5 and 0. 5 and 0. Now, since we learned this matrix of second order, we are not going to use second order 2 by 2 now. Cross multiply, cross multiply. So I'm going to resolve this 2 into cross multiply this minus 1 times 1 minus 0 times 2. 2 to multiply, cross multiply this, subtract this. 2 into minus 1 times 1 minus 0 times 2. Go to the next one, minus 2 into 1 times 1 minus 5 times 2. Then this is plus 2 into minus 1 times 0 minus 1 times 5. Sorry, minus 1 times 5. Open up. 2 into, this is minus 1 and plus minus 0, which is nonsense. Then here minus 2 into this 1 minus 10 is 10. Here is 2 into this one is 0 minus is now plus 5. From minus into minus 1 times 5 is minus 5. With the minus here, and it becomes plus 5. Now let's go. 2 times is minus 2. Then 2 minus 2 into this one is minus 9. Also again plus 2 into this plus the 5. Now here is a minus 2. And this one is minus 1 is now 18. Minus 18 plus 10. This time 10. This time is now, you now have minus 2 plus the addition of the 28. It's just the same as 28 minus 2, which is 26. So the resultant of this matrix is 26. I'm going to take it again, because this is the top aspect of determinants, 3 by 3 order. I'm going to go by it again so that people will follow it. Let's start all over. Maybe I'll be slower this time. Slow motion. 1. To resolve this, take the first one here. I want to take this, condemn everything in that row. If I take here, everything here condemn, everything here condemn. The whole of this line condemn, the whole of this condemn. So what is left? 1, minus 1, 2, and 1. So inside that box, what is left is just minus 1 and 2. And there's 0 and 1. I'll finish with that. Since I'm taking here, everything condemn. And now go to here. This center one carries minus. Traditionally, conventionally, it must carry a minus. So here's now minus 2 into. I want to say everything in this column where 2 lies is condemned. Everything in this row condemned. So I have 1, 2, 5, 1. Now 1, 2, 5, 1. And the third one again, 2 here. I'm taking 2. Since I'm taking 2, everything on this row and everything on this column condemned. I'm left with only 1 minus 1, 5 and 0. That's number 2. And now 1 minus 1, 5 and 0. Having done this, now resolve it using the 2 by 2 matrix. 2, this 2 into cross multiplier minus 1 times 1 minus the result of 0 times 2. Minus 1 times 1 to be subtracted this 0 and 2 subtracted from it. Then this minus 2 into 1 times 1 minus the result of 2 times 5. Now next time 2 into 1 times 0 minus 5 times minus 1. Take it up again. Then 2 remains. This time this minus 1 and this one minus 0. This is nonsense. So nothing left here, only minus 1. Minus 2 into this time is 1 minus this time minus 10. And once again 2 into this time is 0 minus 5 is now plus 5 positive. You move again, this is now about 2 minus 2 into this is 9. Sorry, minus 9 by 9. Because 1 minus 10 is by 9. Minus. And plus 2 into 2 times the 2 times 5. Now here's about 2. Minus is plus 18. And this is plus 10. And 28 again minus. The only minus is 2 minus 2. That gives us 26, which we have before. That is 3 by 3 matrix. And that's the determinant for 3 by 3. This is where it gives tough time, but carefully, to follow it step by step. Just have at the back of your mind that this center must carry minus. This center must carry minus. I will show another example again to draw this point too. That matrix is for you. So we have this 3 by 3 order. To resolve it, find the determinants of the 3 by 3. The other one no problem, 2 by 2 no problem. But 3 by 3 is only problem. So I'm going to take another example for the 3 by 3 matrix. How do we really solve it? Let's say that's minus 1, 3, 4, 0, 5, 2, 1, 1, 2. So resolve this determinant, what determinant of this matrix. We'll move again. I say, let's say, this one comes first. Once you take this, everything in this row, everything is condemn. So remember 5, 2, 1, 2. 5, 2, 1, 2. The one here is invisible, no problem. You don't need to write minus 1. Now, I go to 3. And the center one must carry a minus. So it becomes minus 3. And if you take 3, everything in this row, everything in this column is column. So I just left with 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. Now 0, 2, 1, 2. Now the third one, take 4. We take 4, the whole row condemn, the whole column condemn. It means 0, 5, 1, 1. 0, 5, 1, 1. Now 0, 5, 1, 1. Now resolve it. And this 2 by 2 matrix. It's a plus. What do? I did not leave a space. Sorry, I did not leave a space. This 3, when 3 is taking 0, 5 and 1, 1 plus, yes, 4. 4 into, when I take 0, 5 and then 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. Okay. Can I resolve? Minus 1 into cross multiply here, 5 times 2. Minus cross multiply again, 1 times 2. Minus 3 into cross multiply 0 times 1 minus this way 1 times 5. Plus 4 into cross multiply 0 times 1 minus 1 times 5. Let's take it now. We'll stop here. Minus 1 into 5 times 2, 10. Minus 1 times this is minus 2. Amount into the result here, this is 0 minus 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 4 into 1 times 0, 0 minus 5. No, this is already. Where is this number? Let's get this number. We got here 0 minus 5 is correct. Then that minus 5. And let's go. Minus 1 into this. What is the result here? 8. Minus 3 into what is the result here? Minus 5. And 4. What is the result here? Minus 5. Open up. Minus 1 is minus 8. This is plus 15. Minus 8 and that is plus 15. And here is a minus 20. But this 4 times minus 20. Bring all the minus together. That minus 28 plus 15. Is this minus 28 plus 15? That leaves us with 8, 5, 13. Minus 13. 13 answer. That's all for this. Not to touch another area I have not touched. If I saw some past question papers. Now if you are given a matrix like this, 2 by 2, maybe 2 by 1, 3, 2. And n, okay, plus minus 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you say m times n? Which is m, n? We can multiply this matrix. I'm not treated it, let's treat it. M, 2, 1, 3, 2, and n is minus 1, 2, 3, 4. How do I say this times this? You have 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2. How do you multiply this? What happens? What to do is this. Take this row. Let me expand it so that I will use that for explanation. Let's see what happens. The numbers are minus 1, 3, 2, 4. What to do is this. Move this 2, 1 into here. Slot it here. I'll keep the answer here now. Oh, it's going to be wide. In order, I'm going to move 2 and 1 this way and slot it like this. 2 and 1. This 2 and 1 will come face down this way and multiply. Whatever times here will come here. 2 times minus 1 here, minus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 3. 1 times 3. I've done it, move it down here. Whatever it times here will come here. Then go to this side. Whatever it times will come here. Here now 2 times 2 plus 1 times 4. I'll come again. Take this 2, 1. Bend it down vertically. This 2 times this 2 times this 12, keep it here. Then go to this side. This time, this 12, keep it here. Having done with this, next is take 3 and 2 again. So the next one I'm going to put here is 3, 2. I'm using it for explanation that you don't need this. What you expect is just this answer, but I'm using it for explanation. So I'm not taking 3 and 2. Bend this way. 3 times 3 times, keep it here. 3 go to the right again. 3 times 3 and keep it here. So let's go. 3 times minus 1. Minus 1 times 3 will be here. Plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3. That will from here there. Now from here, go to this side. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Plus, get on 4 times 2. 2 times 4. These two, please. 2 times 4 equal to, that's it. Here now, this is minus 2 plus 3. So now I have minus 2 plus 3 here. 1 time, minus 1 times minus 2 plus 3. I go 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1 times 4, 4. I come down here. This is minus 3. Plus 2 times 4, 6. So 2 times 3, 6. We have 3 times 3, 6. Plus 2 times 2, 6 times 4, 8. Final answer is down here. Therefore, MM equal to our final answer. Minus 2 plus this is 1. And 4 plus 4 is 8. And minus 3 plus, you are owing 3, but you have 6 paid. You still have 3 free. And you plus it for 10. That is result of M times Z. So M times Z, you have this result. And it's a long process. We will take it again. Okay? Let me take it. After that, we can now solve, or let me solve one password because it's exactly to drive the point to. Let's take one password of paper. I have one here. Let us take this question, and this is 2017 essay number 12B. 2017 essay number 12B. Quickly, see where you find the simultaneous equation. Where you have simultaneous equation. 2017 number 12B. Like 2017 or WASC. But you know, and this is the one we used to know it. That's African School Certificate Exam. WASC 2017 number 12B. It says, given if you are given two equations, these two, what happens? How do you resolve it? Time times n. Given that m equals 1, 2, 4, 3, and n equals mx and ny, and after multiplication mn equals 2, 1, 3, 4. Find the matrix n. Matrix n. So what is in this n? It's a long process, but let's check it. What is in n? Let's do it quickly. First of all, by the same method of multiplication, I'm going to do it. Just what I discussed now. Let's go. I'm going to move this to come here to multiply. So I'm keeping n. M is going to multiply x, n, y. Now, 1, 2 comes here straight. 1, 2 comes. That's what I just thought now. This 1, 2 is going to come inside here to multiply. 1 times m. So our result is here. 1 times m. And 2 times m. Plus 2 times m. This side. And go up again. 1 times x, 1 times x. Plus 2 times y. 2 times y. I've dealt with 1, 2. That's what I was plotting into this 1, 2. Again, 1 times m. And 2 times m, 2 m. Having dealt with that, next is to move 4, 3. I'm going to bring 4, 3 again. And using here for purpose of explanation, we're not supposed to be drawing this thing here, no. But I want to explain to them my point 2. 4, 3. Now, 4 with times here, 4 times m. 4 times m. Plus 3 times n. 3 times n. This times n. Then go this again. 4 times x plus 3 times y. Y. That's the multiplication. Now multiply quickly. What do you get here? 1 times m is what? M plus 2n. What do you get here? X plus 2y. What do you get here? 4m plus 3n. What do you get here? 4x plus 3y. But then, we are told that they've done this, given that this, after the multiplication, they got the answer to 2, 1, 3, 4. And this thing gave us 2, 1, 3, 4. See the funny aspect of it. Is it funny? No, the interesting aspect of it. 2, 1, 3, 4. What is the whole equation here? The whole equation m plus 2n equal to 2. We're going to form the equation now. So permit me if I use that, please. So that when I'll clear the board. M plus 2n gave us a result here. Now what's the result? 2. So here m plus n, m plus 2n equals 2. Call it equation number 1. Everything here, because they said they computed it and this is the answer. So everything here amounted to 2. So the equation of m plus 2n equals 2. Where do I still have n again? So 4m plus 3n equals 3. So another equation is this. 4m plus 3n equals 3. Number 4m plus 3n equals 3. Question number 2. Result, find x, find m and n. That's it. That's what we're going to do for x. Let's go. Now, the only way to kill this one is to multiply the whole of this line. To eliminate, the only way to eliminate m is to make everything equal to 4. So I want to times the equation number 1 by 4. So equation number 1 by 4. Elimination. 4 times this is 4m. 4 times this is 8m. 4 times this is 8. Called equation number 1a. Now look, I can eliminate 4. So let's go from 1a. Subtract this number 2. From this minus this will vanish. So 8m and this will give 5n. M and this is 5. Therefore n 5. Sorry, therefore n equals 5 over 5, which is 1. Now, but I know that here m, but in equation 1, m plus 2n equals 2. And I now know that n is 1. Imply that m plus 2 times 1 equals 2. That's m plus 2 now equals 2. Therefore m equals 2 minus 2, which is 0. So we now see that n equals 1, m equals 0. I've dealt with this, I've written it. Now come back again. I'm going to get from this equation now. S plus 2y equals 1. This s plus 2y equals 1. And 4x plus 3y equals 4. To find another equation. So x plus 2y equals 1. And 4x plus 3y equals 4. Question number 1, question number 2. Now let me eliminate this quickly. X by multiplying the whole of this line by 4. Times this line by 4. 4 times 4x plus 2y times 2 give 8y and it's 4 equals 4. Now eliminate. Call this equation 1a. Change from 1 to 1a. This minus this 1a minus 2 equation 2. 4 and 4x I will go. So 8 minus this is 5y. And this minus this is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Open another yes. When you multiply 4 here, 4 times yes. Therefore y equals 4 0. For 5 over 0. Now but from the question here, well, let me take from here now. I've gotten already that m equals, what did I get m again? And n equals 1. I forgot what I got as forget what I got. I'll find it again. Now let's take it again. What I have here is y equals 0. At y equals x plus 2y equals 1. And y is 0. Therefore x plus 2 times 0 equals 1. X plus 0 equals 1. Therefore x equals 1. 0 is valueless. So now see that y equals 0, x equals 1. Then maybe I got the first one, I forgot what I got first, m here. Let me get m. N equals what m. When I got the m is what? N is 1. So m plus 2n equals 2. M plus 2 times 1 equals 2. And M plus 2 equals 2. M equals 0. So M equals 0, N equals 1. Then if you go back to, I've gotten the whole now. I've gotten the value of x to be y0, x1. I also got the value of m0, n1. Let me go back to the n they gave us from that question. We are told that equation is this. We are told that n is, let me clean here. N is made up of m, x, n, y. Let me reduce so that I put the answer there. We are given n like this. M, x, and n, y equal to f of m is what? From our answers now, what is m? M is what? M is 0. What is n? N is 1. What is x? X is 1. And what is y? Y say n? 0. What is the answer? What's the value of n? Although we are giving m, and x, y. Having solved now, our n, anywhere you see m, put 0. Anywhere you see m, put 1. Then you come up here. Where x is 1, y is 0. X is where you see m, put 1. And where is 0, y is 0. Of course, 1, 0, 1, 1. We will solve to call the identity. I mean about it, it's identity matrix. I'll confirm. 1, 1, 1. Identity matrix. I'll confirm. But so far, this is the answer. Without y 20, 17. That's the answer to happening. 0, 1, 1. That's all for matrices. Maybe with time again we'll solve more numbers in matrices. But it's all over. That's matrices for you. Although I can still solve some more examples to drive the point too. Thank you.